Hello everybody, this is Chang, and today I would like to tell you um, the chapter 1 of the part 2 of the story of a seagull and a cat who taught her to fly. Let's start. 1. Brought the cat. The big fat black cat spent many days lying beside the eggs, protecting it, rolling it back with gentle, furry paws every time an involuntary movement of his body pushed it in an inch or two away. Those were long, uncomfortable days that Jobra sometimes felt were a complete waste because it felt like he was caring for a lifeless object, a kind of fragile stone, even if it was white and with blue speckles. On one occasion, his body cramped from inactivity since, in accord with the colonel's orders, he left the egg only to eat and to visit his little box. He felt tempted to test whether a little gull chick was growing inside that calcium container. He placed one ear to the egg, then another, but he didn't hear anything. Neither did he have any luck when he tried to see inside the egg. As he looked at it against the light, the white shell with the blue speckles was thick and let absolutely no light through. The colonel's secretarial and assistant visits Jobber every night, and they always examined the egg to see if what the colonel the code expected for progress was being made. But as soon as they saw that the egg looked exactly the same as it did the first day, they changed the conversation. Anson never ceased to lament the fact that his encyclopedia did not reveal the precise length of incubation. The closest facts he was able to extract from his thick books was that it could be between 17 and 13 days, according to the characteristic of the species to which the mother gull belonged. Sitting the egg had not been at all easy for the big fat black cat. He couldn't forget the morning the friend who came in to look after his needs thought the floor needed to be swept and decided to run the vacuum cleaner. Every morning, during the time the friend was there, Jobber hid the egg among some flower pots on the balcony in order to devote a few minutes to the nice person who changed the litter in his box and opened his can of food. He would melt in gratitude and rub against the human's leg, and the human would go away repeating what a nice cat Jobber was. But that morning, after he'd watched the vacuum cleaner roll around the living room and bedrooms, he heard the human say, "And now for the balcony, dirt seems to really pile up among those flower pots." When the friend heard the explosion of a fruit bowl shattering into 1,000 pieces, he ran to the kitchen and from the doorway shouted, What's got into you, Jobber? Look what you have done. Got out of here right now, you crazy cat. That's all we need for you to get a silver of glass in your paw. What an